Alright, it's your boy RK back at it again with another drink video. Today I have a special guest. We have the CEO of Diamond Heist, the brand here.
Big Red.
Clap it up, clap it up.
Big Red, CEO of Diamond Heist, the brand. Straight out of Brooklyn.
Alright, let's go. So we're gonna make a good, nice, sweet Valentine's Day drink. Let's get it started. So, tell me about Diamond Heist, the brand. Tell me a little bit about the brand.
Diamond Heist, the brand, started in 2019, January. I was trying to figure out a way to create a way to tell my story through clothes. And that's how Diamond Heist came about.
Alright.
It's a little bit more, but we get into that.
Alright, let's get into it. Listen, one thing we always do is ice them down. We gotta ice them down with the ice first. Gotta ice it down. So, we're gonna put some, grab some ice. I don't have the tongs like I'm supposed to have. We'll get some ice and put it in your mason jar. Or you could just, what are you gonna do this?
How much ice we need?
Ice them down, man.
Ice them down?
Yep, ice them down. So how long Diamond Heist been out?
Diamond Heist, the brand started February 2019.
The first step that we're gonna do, we're gonna put some of this Malibu, strawberry Malibu. Strawberry Malibu. We're gonna pour it into the halfway mark between the first line. So your first line in this plastic cup is right here. So you're gonna pour it right in the halfway mark. Boom, just like that. So do that on your end.
You said to the halfway mark?
Yeah, halfway mark.
It's a little goop juice.
You feel me? People might think that Diamond Heist, the brand, is like a streetwear brand. What type of things do you have? Is it just like streetwear or urban wear?
Diamond Heist, the brand is a streetwear brand. However, we do clash a little bit of artsy with casual, where you can step out with your lady, you can go out, nice date night, you know what I mean? You wanna go out, you wanna look good, you wanna feel good, come to Diamond Heist.
I'm not gonna lie, I see you with a little cashmere Diamond Heist
You know
sweater.
what I mean? Sometimes you gotta have a regular, you might wanna walk through the hood, you know what I mean?
Depending on how you doing
Then
it.
you wanna step out.
Hold on, so let's take this shot real quick.
Oh, that was for a
You
shot.
can take the shot. You know what?
That
Take the
wasn't
shot.
even for the drink.
Let's go. Alright, so let's go to the halfway mark.
We gotta double up.
Yep. So go back to the halfway mark on this. Now you're gonna pour this Sunny D. This is one of these new flavors. Well, I never seen it. I think it's a new flavor. It's called orange strawberry. It's nice, sweet, have a nice little taste to it. It's a little thick, so you can put it at the bottom. And you want to fill it up to this, right up below the top of the cup. This part is gonna be the less potent side. So what inspired Diamond Heist, the brand? The name behind it, like, what does that mean? It's a unique name. I never heard anything like that.
So Diamond Heist, I wasn't even supposed to pour it, was I?
Nah.
I skipped this stuff.
Hold on, let's pour this out. Hold on. Let's pour it back in the cup.
So the name came about, I refer to my family as diamonds. And I'm a diamond at heart, being put through the pressures of life, coming out shining every time. You know?
Well, you wrap it down. Now you spit
In
it.
2012, I had I did something bad. I committed a crime, a robbery, and I did my time. I came home. 2019, I had lost my job, and from there, I took some money I had to the side, and I created a brand. I figured out a way to turn my previous negative into something positive, and that's where you get Diamond Heist, the brand. I'm the diamond that caught the heist and turned it into the brand.
Diamond Heist, the brand. I like that. I like turning the lemons into lemonade. That's one of my favorite lines. So shout out to that. we're gonna put some of this syrup, infused syrup. This is fire, it's nice and sweet. We're gonna put it at the bottom of the drink. You put a little something. It's kind of,
was that like 3 spins?
Yeah, a little 3 spins.
Put a little extra.
Yeah, boom, we blocking the thing.
Oh, shit.
Show the people what you're doing, man. Show the people what you're doing.
Shit, how we get it?
All right. So now we're gonna put our mix in there that we had earlier. All right, cool. Now we about to get potent with it. We about to get real potent with it. All right, cool. So now we're gonna do the pina colada part. So this is one of the new flavors I seen from Tropicana too. Hopefully they have it in your local supermarket. But this is really good. Yeah, me on bone. So the liquor is hit. So we're gonna go all the way to the top line. The first line that you see in this cup, you're gonna pour it all the way into there.
No halfway mark this time, y'all. We're going all the way up.
We're going all the way. We're going all the way up. Yeah, we're going all the way up.
All the way up, you heard?
Cool. Now, yeah, clean up while we work. We're gonna pour some pina colada in here. Tropicana pina colada.
To the tizzy.
To the tizzy. Stir it around with a spoon.
He's not pulling these out of his pocket either.
Yeah. Listen, they always ask where you getting this stuff from. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
So you're gonna mix this around, right? And hold a spoon over the drink, like above the ice, and just pour slowly the pina colada part. It didn't come out with 2 different colors this time. We have to make the top more potent, but it's okay. I had some straws too. Be right back, brief intermission.
You're not drinking this on Valentine's Day?
You feel me?
You and your lady, you're not drinking this for Valentine's Day. Alright. Yes, you are.
So normally we get two color separation out of this, but we didn't put so much, but we didn't put so much liquor in the second part. And now if you're gonna make it a little bit stronger, you wanna go a little bit higher than the first line. You're gonna go right about here, and you get a color separations. Let me know in the comments if you did it and you got a color separation with the pink in the white. So we're gonna mix this around and give it a taste, man.
That's fire.
Come on, this is a fire mix right here.
That's fire.
It's called the Valentine Day Special. That's what we're calling it right now. What's next for Diamond Heist?
Diamond Heist, man. We got Diamond Heist University. I actually have one of the T's right here. Heist University. This one right here, these colors, these colorways that's dropping. All of them gonna glow in the dark.
Oh, that's crazy.
So we'll turn off the lights and show y'all. I promise you, tap in Diamond Heist the brand on Instagram, on Facebook. I'm gonna post these. These drop probably like in a week. I'm gonna give y'all a week.
There it is. Dropping it next week. It's going up. Let's
I can't even say a week because I don't know when this video drops.
Right, where's that?
These dropping, or if they didn't drop by the time the video dropped, just know.
And,
This is
I'm gonna
it
put
first.
the information right here at the bottom. Hopefully it's right here. If it's not right here, hold on, Red, do with me.
If it's not,
Right here. We're gonna put it right there. We're gonna put the information right there. If it don't show up there, don't mind my editing skills.
probably up there.
You feel me? It could be right here. Shout out to our sponsors, never forget.
Never forget, you heard?
Now, there's something else, right? I'm gonna put you on right now. If you want to get a little crazy with this drink, this is the Smirnoff Pink Lemonade. You're gonna open this. Somebody open it with? Twist top. Twist top, I was ready to do it with the teeth like back in the day. You want to take the drink. Drink a little bit. Throw it in there. Oh! You gotta make sure
you probably gotta lower it a little bit.
You gotta drink it, you gotta drink a little bit more, but you wanna get, oh, this is mad good. So let's see if he does it the right way.
Alright, so what he did was a little tilt, and then boom.
Oh man.
Definitely did not, but
it's a little messy.
you probably gotta get the drink to like right here, man. However, this shit good.
Man good. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, get yourself a Diamond Heist tee, get yourself a Diamond Heist hat, get yourself a Diamond Heist do-rag, get yourself a Diamond Heist socks.
We coming.
We coming.
Flat.